Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher Fazle Khalik. Today my topic is structure, function and different types of neurons. Let's come towards definition of neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of our nervous system. If we see towards the structure of neuron, it composed of two major parts, that is neuron cell body and an elongated part which is called as axon. Neuron cell body composed of different components. Number one is thread-like structures which are called as dendroids, which are responsible for carrying nerve impulse towards the cell body. There is cytoplasm in the cell body, and in the center there is present a nucleus. Now if we come towards the elongated part which is called as axon, it composed of individual cell bodies called Schwann cells. Inside the Schwann cells there is a lipid membrane which is called as myelin sheet. Myelin sheet, at some points it is absent, which are called as nodes of Ranvier. These nodes of Ranvier are responsible for saltatory or jumping movement of nerve impulse over the axon, which increase the speed of a neuron while passing through axons or neuron. There are some terminals also which are responsible for making connection in between the adjacent neurons. Now the different types of neurons are present. Number one is sensory neurons. As the name indicates, they are responsible for sensing different nerve impulses from receptors to and carry them from receptor to coordinators. It composed of one axon and one dendroid. Number two is motor neuron. Motor neuron, as the diagram indicates, it's also a motor neuron which composed of many dendrites and only one axon, and they are responsible for carrying nerve impulse away from the coordinator towards the effector for performing particular type of response. Now if we come towards the interneuron, which are responsible for making the structure of our brain and spinal cord, they composed of many dendrites and many axons because they make connection with all different parts of our body. Now if there are a cluster of neuron cell bodies which are enveloped by a lipid membrane, they give rise a structure which is called as ganglia, and a number of axons of neuron which are also enveloped by a lipid membrane are called as nerve. So this is all about our structure of and function of neurons.